Hey guys, welcome to Biker Baker and Mr. Smith. As you see, I am not in my normal kitchen. So we are in sunny Florida at Billy's brother's condo. So he let us use his condo for a couple weeks. So we're going to do just a mug cup cake here. We're doing banana mug cake. I know I have bowls out here, but you can mix everything up right here. But I've just got some stuff already measured out, so you don't need to use all these all done in one mug. So I have oiled my mug, and we're going to use a half of a banana. This one I brought down here and it got smashed, so it's not very good.
It's perfect for that, though.
Perfect for a banana cake or mug. So we're going to take half of it. And we're just going to smash her up right in there. So we're going to do that. And let's melt a tablespoon of butter while we're doing that. That microwave's hard to open compared to mine.
You just got to get stronger.
I guess. And let's just do that. And then we'll have to come back to that because it won't take long. So we are mashing up our banana. And I'm pretty sure that's probably melted. Or melted enough. Oh yeah. So we have a tablespoon of butter. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm just going to put that right in there. Mix that all up. I'm going to put in some vanilla. You don't have to, but why not? Is our philosophy. Because we like a vanilla. We're going to put in a pinch of salt. We're going to put in just about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Or so.
Or thereabouts.
Or so. We're going to put in an egg. And we're going to put in a tablespoon of milk that I have to get out. And we don't have milk, but we have heavy whipping cream, so it's in the dairy family.
That'll be even better.
So it'll work. We brought this from home too. Big old glass jar. All right. Let's mix that up. Right, put all that stuff right down in there. We got a little bit of flour we're going to put in there, 1/4 cup. I don't know. I know you can't see anything here. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, these mug cakes are so simple, and then if you're just sitting there at night watching TV or anytime and you get a hankering for a dessert, look you up a mug cake recipe. So we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to our 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're just going to put that all down in there.
Just like that, huh?
Everything goes in your mug. Stir up. And you can put some nuts in here. You can put in some chocolate chips if you want. Billy said he didn't want no chocolate chips in it. Can you believe that? And I didn't bring any walnuts or anything. So. See if I can get some more of this out of there. Because, you know, it's still got some goodies down in there.
Yeah, you don't want to waste that.
We got some sugar in there. We got to get that out of there. But guys, like I said, you just put everything in this mug. You don't need all these extra dishes. I did just for the video, for the purpose of you seeing what I have. All right, so we are going in the microwave for, I'm going to try 70 seconds first, and then we'll be right back.
Guys, this is the condo we're staying in. You can see out the back door there's water out there. Miss Connie's got her crochet stuff going on here. See if I can get a little more view here. There, Miss Connie.
Ah, hey, I thought you were getting a view of the lake.
Well, I'm getting a view of everything. And guys, this is available to rent. If you're interested, just direct message us and we'll give you the information you need. It is in Punta Gorda, Florida. It's actually called Lake Susie. There's an alligator out there in that water too.
Is there?
I'm not seeing him today, but
Yeah, there's a couple of them. All right, guys, it was in the microwave 90 seconds. And I didn't put, like I said, I didn't put any chocolate chips, but you can put some chocolate chips in there. Look at that. Can you see that? Ooh. See how that is in there? Look at that.
so it'll kind of be like a banana bread consistency.
And it's hot, it's steaming, but I'm going to give her a try anyway. Yes. Guys, if this had some nuts in it too, it's so good. I can barely hold on to it, it's really hot. So 90 seconds in the microwave. I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Billy, you want to taste it?
I'll wait till it cools off.
Yeah, because it's burning on my innards. I can feel it. All right, guys. I know we haven't posted a video in a while. We've been busy. So we're getting ready to post another one. We're going to do another one tomorrow. So we'll have another one up. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and hype, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
peace out, guys.
Later, Gators in Florida.